Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a look using the Lush Life palette from ColourPop. I received it about maybe 2 weeks ago. I'm not sure. But we're going to do more of a softer look because I'm going to work. And I will do another video on the colors. I've seen so many beautiful bold looks with it. But today we're not going to do that because I'm getting ready for work and I want to do a more softer look. So let's just see what we can come up with this palette. But I'm going to start out with my Norm, my Morphe 535 brush. And I want to do a little different this morning. I know I said I wanted to see if I could use another shade other than my e.l.f. Total Face palette. And I've been looking down the whole time trying to look at this this palette, trying to see what I'm going to do. I'm sorry. But we're going to go in with the shade ECO. I don't have my glasses. But I want to try this lighter shade to see if I can use this as my transition, if it's not too light. Or right below my brow bone. Oh, it's not bad though. It's more of a light beige, orange type shade. And I'm just packing it above my crease area. And I do this because I have so much eye space and I don't like it to look like with that gap. And it look like your shadows are not blended together. This is actually a nice shade. It's not too deep and it's not too light. And you can actually see it's like really pigmented. So it doesn't take a whole lot if you're just trying to make it like a just a transition shade. But I think you can build it up a little more, but I don't want it too deep this morning. Let me zoom you guys in just a little bit more so you can see what I am doing. So we're gonna just blend it softly with this Morphe brush. And I do this to make sure the shadow is not patchy while it's sitting on top of my the top portion of my eye. Into just a little bit more because I feel like this concealer is still like on the wet side, and I want it to be pretty much almost completely dry because I don't want it to patch on me throughout the day once it starts drying. I like this shade. It's really pretty. I like that color. Might be my new shade, but we'll see. Because y'all know I love my Total Face palette. But next I'm going to go in with the shade. This packaging, I really can't see the shade names because I do wear bifocals and I need to wear them. So what I'm going to do is just point at the shade because I really don't know the name of the shades because it's reflective packaging. I really can't read it. I'm going to use this shade right here in my outer V and up in my crease area just a little bit. And I'm just going to pack lightly and blend. Because I want to do a real soft look today. I don't want it to... Well, I don't want to do a whole lot of bold looks anyway, but I want more of a neutral soft look. I like color though, but I don't want to do any like bold colors today. Because I have to do a presentation at work a pre-recorded session, and I want it to be as soft and as possible. I don't want it too bold on the session. So we're gonna just come up with something light but pretty at the same time. Let's do the other eye. I'm just patting lightly and blending in circular motions in my outer V and dragging it up to my crease a little bit. These shadows blend really well. ColourPop has some great formula. Anyways, if you have not tried ColourPop, I would suggest you try them. Although now they come out with a product every week. I'm not even mad at them though, because I do like ColourPop. That's how they stand in the game. Marketing is the key, and they are doing a lot of marketing, and they have the cutest packaging. Their packaging sells me. I may not even need the formula. I'm not gonna say need, but I may not even use the palette, or even if I didn't like the formula, but I love their formula. It's really easy to work with. I will buy their products just for the packaging. That's why I have so many. And if you not have, and I actually recorded my collection video, I just need to upload it. I think I'm going to upload it Saturday, so you guys can see what my collection looks like. But I love ColourPop. Like I said, I buy a lot of this stuff strictly for the packaging, which makes no sense at all, because you only have one face, but I just love collecting it. And I'm just going up, right in my crease with what's left on my brush and what's on my outer V, and just softly blending to marry those two shades together. Because I want something really, really soft, not too deep and dark this morning. It's pretty. I like those two shades together. So now I'm going to go in with, let's do a little bit of this bottom shade here. I want to just deepen it up just a little bit, but not too much. Just a tad bit, little bit. And we're going to stick it towards that lower lash line and blend up to the outer V, but not in my crease area. Just to deepen that up just a little bit. This is pretty. But these yellows and greens and blues are really pretty in this palette, and I can't wait to use those shades. It's pretty. I like it. The formula is so good. To me, in my opinion. And I know people are overwhelmed with their releases, but I like it. I like it though. I'm not going to hate on ColourPop because they come out with something every week. My base booster as usual. And I'm a little amped up this morning because today is my last day of working until Tuesday. So I'm super ready for my vacation days. So that's why I'm all over the place. I'm going to take my base booster and apply it on my lid, the norm. Most of the there's no product, and then just drag a little bit over. Nice, good, and tacky. So what I want to do now, let's go in with the shade. I don't want to do a gold. That green's pretty, but you know what? I really don't want to mix palettes. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep it on the matte side then. I don't want to switch palettes. I'm going to go back in with this shade here and stick it on top of my lid. Let me get another brush. A packing brush to apply this product on my eyelid. Let's use this Profusion ES2 brush. It's a blending brush, but I'm gonna take this same shade I applied on top right below my brow bone and stick it on my lid shade. I just don't want to go in another palette. And I'm just patting it on my lid and a little bit up into my crease. It's coming together well. Take a little bit more. Kind of just making sure I set this base booster. This is actually not bad. I like it. Now I'm gonna go back in with this deeper shade and deepen my outer V back up a little bit. And just a little bit on each eye with, not applying too much. And I'm just transitioning these shades, marrying them together. So now I'm going to clean this brush off. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade we started out with earlier. And then just go back over my crease area with it. And then just lightly blend back and forth, windshield wiper motions, and then softer circular motions. It's coming together really, really well. Now I want to take this, we're going to use this ColourPop. Yeah, this is ColourPop E9 brush and blend out the crease area because it's still on the more wet side with this concealer and base that I used this morning. I'm just flicking out these edges. Okay, so I'm going to take this E35 one more time. I'm not putting any more product on. I'm actually wiping it off on my towel and just make sure everything is blended. That will do it for the eye look for now. Like I said, I'm not doing any shimmers today. I want to keep it like on the matte side because of what I have to do at work today. So now we're going to clean up the under eye area so we can prepare our eyes and face for the liner, lashes, and my base. Now I haven't worn any lashes in 2 days because my allergies were like acting like really, really crazy the last 2 days. So I'm going to try them out again this morning. I'm not 100% sure. It depends on how I feel when I get to put my liner and my mascara on. But we'll see. But I'm going to zoom you guys in for the look before I do my lashes and liners. Like I said, this shadow performs beautifully. I do like what I came up with. It wasn't really what I was looking for, but I do like it in the end. The three shades went well together and they blended really, really well. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back out, and I'm going to go ahead, do my liner, lashes, try to pop on some lashes, then my full face, and I'll be back with my final look. See you guys in a bit. So this is the final look. I like how everything turned out. It's really pretty to me. So the only thing I did do, I did not apply any more shadows, but I did pop a little of this Rodeo Drive highlighter by Ofra into my inner corner and drag it out a little bit on my lower lash line. I did apply my lashes this morning. I felt like my eyes would take it today, so I applied these Salon Perfect lashes in the style. It's a pre-perm push-up in medium curl, natural lift. I think that's the style. But these are what they look like. They are really comfortable on my eyes. I do like them. I bronzed and highlighted and blushed with the Cheerleader Benefit Mini Bronze Squad palette. That is all I did. I did not put any lashes on my lower lash line. I put a little mascara down here and a liner. So I hope you guys like my finished look as much as I like it. I think it's really, really nice, neutral, not really, a nice soft glam, which was what I was looking for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. See you guys later.